Mathematics deals with numbers, basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and geometrical shapes. Math is all around us in everything we do. In our childhood, we have learnt about numbers and their countings and basic operations. The area of mathematics where numbers are combined with some basic operations and their calculations forms a different branch in mathematics called arithmetic. Arithmetic deals with the study of numbers. Let us learn about one of the most important branches of mathematics called algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that substitutes letters for numbers. For example, what should be added to 6 to get 15? This statement can be written as 6 plus empty box equal to 15. Here, the empty box represents the unknown value. This box can be replaced by small alphabets. Alphabet X is commonly used. In this equation, the empty box can be replaced by X. Here, X is the variable because the value will vary. 6 and 15 are constants because the value remains the same. 6 plus X is an algebraic expression. 6 plus X equal to 15 is an algebraic equation. Here, 6 plus X is on the left hand side of the equal to sign and 15 on the right hand side of the equal to sign. Since we equate left hand side and right hand side, it is an equation. Linear equation. An equation containing a variable with its highest power 1 is called a linear equation. Examples: let us solve a linear equation. Jennifer bought 2 watches for rupees 3000. The cost of the white watch is rupees 200 more than the black watch. Find the cost of each watch. Let the cost of the black watch be rupees X. The cost of the white watch is rupees X plus 200. Total cost of both the watches is given as rupees 3000. That is, X plus 200 is equal to 3000. 2X plus 200 is equal to 3000. Now, 2X is equal to 3000 minus 200, which is equal to 2800. Therefore, X is equal to 2800 divided by 2, that is 1400. The cost of the black watch is rupees 1400. The cost of the white watch is rupees 1400 plus 200, that is rupees 1600.